overall IT hardware market in the last year stood at close to $13 billion. Out of this $13 billion, about 90% is imported, and maybe the remaining 10% is locally manufactured. Hence, this gives a very large opportunity for domestic manufacturing in the country, and I think it is right now the most important agenda for the industry as well as the government. The first and the foremost is correction of the inverted duty structure. Currently, the imported product is much cheaper than a locally manufactured product, and hence some tax corrections are required. The most important correction that we feel would boost this entire sector would be the abolishment of special additional duty, which is at about 4%. That would give a straight benefit of 4% to local manufacturers. Number two, which we feel would also boost local manufacturing, is providing the concessional rate to PC and tablet manufacturing. The same structure which was a few years back implemented for mobile phones, which actually give a lot of impetus of manufacturing within India. If that same structure is implemented now for PCs, which includes desktops, laptops, notebooks, and of course the new emerging vertical of tablets, would see a lot of change happening as far as local manufacturing is concerned. Another important aspect for local businesses is that it's easy to do business in the country. Right now it is not. To take an example, the classification of products is extremely difficult, and hence when we are either trying to import a finished product or a component of that product, there is always a difference of opinion between the officials and the industry. It's very important that the government establishes a cell which on a very regular basis and regular intervals helps classifying these products. It will make doing business in the country very, very simple. This would also boost in some way local manufacturing, because especially the small manufacturers who would want to import small quantities often face these issues, and they have a difficulty in terms of running that business. Hence, we feel that if this correction is brought in, it will be a great boost. Another important budget recommendation we have for the IT hardware sector is inclusion of all the ITA products in the declared goods. Right now, every state implements a different VAT structure. If it is a declared good, then the VAT is 5 to 5.5%. However, right now we are seeing a very large variation as far as VAT structure is application of VAT is concerned to various IT products. If they are declared, if they are included in the declared goods, this will give much more uniformity to the VAT. Last but not the least, we feel GST is the solution to all the problems. The sooner it happens, the better it is, and I think the government machinery should put all its weight and all its force to ensure that GST is implemented as soon as possible.